Hi everyone! So in this video we'll learn how to download an image from the internet and display it on our SwiftUI app. So let's get started. So let's see what we are going to learn today. So we are going to load an image from the internet and display it in our SwiftUI app asynchronously. So it will be in async. So let's see how it can be done. So first thing is we need to have a URL, an image URL. So if you have an image URL, that's amazing. So let's assign the image URL to a variable. So we can write something as private let image URL, and it would be of string type. So let's write string and equals. Now you can use your image URL. So for this demo, I'm using a demo image URL. So I'm just gonna paste that here. So let's do that. All right, so now we have an image URL that's assigned to the variable image URL. All right, so now let's add our async image so that can display the image on the app. So we can write something as async async image, and then we can write URL. So there's also an option for scaling, so that we'll learn after this. So first let's just learn this. So we can write async image, and in URL we can just give our URL. So it would be our image URL. So you can just write string and you can just give it image URL. So we have the link here, and there we go. So it just loaded the image from this particular link and displayed over here. We can remove this VStack so that we can have a clear look. So let's just do this. Yeah, let's just remove this VStack, just to VStack. All right, so now the VStack is gone. Hopefully this hello world will disappear. Oh yeah, that's all right. So now we just have this image, and this leaf is being loaded with this particular URL. Now if you want to scale this particular image, or if you have an image that is too large to fit, then we can use the same thing, just copy paste the same thing. Here we go. And after this URL, just give a comma, and we can have scale. So now this accepts a float value. So by default, it is at float 1. So the default scale is 1.0. So we can change it to, for example, 3.0. So this second image will be now smaller. So you can play with the scale. If your image is too large, you can play it. If you put 7.0, it would be even smaller. If you put 2.0, it would be bigger. If it would be 1.0, it will be the same size as the top one. So you can play with this as you like, and scale the image that's downloaded from the internet. So that's how you load an image from a URL and show it asynchronously in a SwiftUI app. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video, please like and please subscribe to the channel. It really helps for creating the content. Thank you so much.